Hi students and families. This week we're talking about positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is something you say to yourself in your own head. It serves to reset your thinking and may guide your behavior. Some examples behind me are stay calm. I can handle this. This is my job. I'm doing my best. Keep on going. And that was my mantra for the week. I found it very helpful when I was kind of overwhelmed with things, and that positive self-talk just kept me going. So this week I would like you to take a look at the videos below. One about negative thoughts and just being aware of them, and then a couple videos to give you inspiration to think of some positive self-talk of your own. Then I want you to find someone in your house and tell them what your positive self-talk is. And hopefully you can start practicing and using it not only in your down times, but all the time, even when you're feeling good. The more we practice it, the more we're going to remember what our positive self-talk is, and we'll remember to use it when we need it the most. See you next time.